Hannah, quiet last night. We got noise today. I don't know if y'all can hear it. The kids are screaming and yelling at the playground at the park across the way because it's right next to an elementary school. There's a park and then there's their little playground. The birds are singing. Little Hannah was barking. And I'm looking up literally right now, usually figuratively or in my heart. And that's really what it's about, guys. It's a lifestyle. It's not necessarily literally looking up, but I find myself doing that a lot because I think it's both. Now I sound like Forrest Gump. I think it's a little of both. I love you guys. Keep looking up.